This is mastering the Talkbox.
What's up, world? If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're looking to learn how to Talkbox or find some tutorials on the Talkbox, and you've come to the right place. I'm Travion. This is Mastering the Talkbox, a complete guide to unlocking your unique sound. So let's start off with the introduction, the art of talkboxing. The talkbox has long been a distinctive tool in the world of music, offering a unique way to blend the human voice with instrumental sound. Its journey began, let's say, mid-20th century, when early voice modulating devices hinted at what later would become the modern-day talkbox. By the 60s, you had people like Pete Drake who were experimenting with this innovative tool using a plastic tube to route sound from an instrument directly into the mouth, creating expressive and voice-like effects. The talkbox, it gained mainstream attention in the 1970s with Peter Frampton and also Roger Troutman of Zapp. You know, Zapp and Roger, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar. And with that, you know, the talkbox was basically put in front of a different audience, incorporating it into more of like a funky, more dance-driven sound, you know, that defined the era. As decades passed, the talkbox continued to embrace across genres, with people like Chromeo, who else? There's so many. Daft Punk. I think they're more vocoder though, but in a sense, it's the same type of essence, right? So in this guide, I personally will be walking you through mastering a talkbox, from crafting clear pronunciation to choosing the right equipment so you can bring this iconic sound to your music. So let's get started.
This is lesson number 1, the foundation.
This is lesson number 1. This is the foundation. This is probably the most important lesson of this entire journey, right? It's dental hygiene. It's dental hygiene. Why dental hygiene? For clear sound. Simple as that. Let's break it down. Let's get into it. The talkbox is a unique device that combines sound from an instrument with the resonance created inside your mouth. For that reason, the condition of your teeth and gums plays a pivotal role in shaping the clarity of the sound produced. When you use the talkbox, the plastic tube directs sound waves from your instrument through your mouth, and your mouth acts as a vocal chamber, amplifying and modifying the sound. Therefore, any obstructions such as food particles, let's say plaque, gum inflammation, can interfere with the clarity of sound, causing distortions or muffling the pronunciation of words. So yeah, let's be clear. Poor dental hygiene can affect not just the quality of sound, but also the ease with which you form words while using the talkbox. Clean teeth and gums ensure that you can articulate words clearly without interference from debris or bacteria. Even something as simple as bad breath can affect your comfort level and confidence during a performance, leading to less effective delivery. 5 key tips for maintaining dental hygiene. Number 1, brush your teeth thoroughly before every session. Ensure that you brush your teeth at least 2 times a day with fluoride or a fluoride-free toothpaste, focusing on areas near the gums where, you know, food particles often hide. You know where they be at. Get back there, get it out. Before a performance or practice session with the talkbox, always do a thorough brushing. This will clear your mouth of any debris and prevent any sound distortion caused by particles stuck between your teeth. Number 2, floss regularly. Why? Because flossing removes food particles and plaque between your teeth. You know, areas that your toothbrush can't reach, obviously. But by removing these particles, you eliminate sources of friction that can cause your sound to be less smooth or articulate. So make it a habit. Make it a habit to floss after meals, to keep your mouth as clear as possible. Definitely as clear as possible. Why? For better sound production. Number 3, use mouthwash after everything. Just use mouthwash. After a meal, brush your teeth, mouthwash. Nice rinse, warm water, lemon water. A good mouthwash not only kills bacteria, but also helps reduce plaque buildup and freshens your breath. Confidence booster. So before using your Talkbox, consider rinsing with a mouthwash to ensure that your mouth is clean and ready for articulation. Mouthwash can also reduce any chances of dry mouth, and which ultimately affects how easily you speak and form sounds. But number 4 would be, give me one second. Number 4, stay hydrated. Hydration is key to maintaining oral health, especially when using the Talkbox. You see, a dry mouth can make it harder to articulate words as it increases friction between the tongue, teeth, and tube. Always drink plenty of water, especially before and during a Talkbox session or performance, to make sure that you keep your mouth moist and working smoothly. 5th and final, visit your dentist regularly. Maintaining regular dental checkups ensures that you're aware of any underlying issues such as cavities, gum disease, which could affect your Talkbox performance. So go get your mouth checked, man. Early detection and treatment of any oral issue will keep your mouth in optimal shape, ensuring no disruptions in your sound delivery. I'm going to break down how dental hygiene affects sound quality. See, while the Talkbox is driven by the mechanics of your instrument and amplification, the actual sound is shaped by the way your mouth forms words and modulates sound waves, right? Your mouth becomes an extension of the instrument, and like any good musical tool, it must be well maintained. Neglecting dental hygiene can lead to inconsistencies in sound production, as the natural resonance in your mouth can be affected by unwanted blockages or the uneven surfaces of decaying teeth or gum inflammation. When your teeth are clean and your gums are healthy, you create a smooth path for sound to travel and be modified. This smooth resonance allows for clearer articulation, especially when you're overemphasizing words, which is a crucial part of Talkbox technique. Your lips, tongue, and teeth need to work together effortlessly to shape the sound, and the only possible way to do that is when your mouth is clean and free of obstruction. Simple as that. See, as a performer, confidence is key. And bad breath can be a distraction, not just for you, but potentially for others if you're interacting with a close audience or collaborators. But the solution is simple. By brushing, flossing, and rinsing regularly, you can eliminate the anxiety that comes with poor oral hygiene and focus entirely on your performance. A couple great quick fixes for breath issues right before you go on stage is mint-based mouthwashes or sugar-free gum. Here are my final thoughts on dental hygiene and Talkbox mastery, right? While it may seem trivial, maintaining good dental hygiene is an essential part of mastering a Talkbox. A clean mouth not only ensures that you sound clear and articulate, but also boosts your comfort and confidence during performances. Just as you would maintain your instruments, to keep them in top shape, your mouth needs to be on the same level of care to achieve the best possible sound quality with the Talkbox. By investing time in your dental routine, you're investing in the longevity and effectiveness of your Talkbox performance. So, just remember, dental hygiene and Talkbox mastery comes down to this foundation. maintaining dental hygiene. Peace. See y'all on lesson number 2.